Plastics and recycling industry operators know that granulation needs to be efficient, consistent, and cost-effective. To achieve maximum uptime for any processing operation, a rugged design should offer ease of use and ease of maintenance. Cumberland presents the T50 Series Tangential Granulators, premium performance and versatility. The T50 Series is available in 3 base models with a wide variety of options for each. Configurations to meet the needs of your operation today and into the future. Available in 3 or 5 knife configurations, along with a wide range of hopper designs, custom infeed, and evacuation options, the T50 series of granulators is the most versatile solution available today. T50 series granulators provide consistent regrind using a rugged knife assembly with precise tolerance. Because of our heavy-duty rotor construction, our rotating knives are fixed, allowing adjustment to take place at the bed knife. The T50 series boasts a highly efficient twin shear design, which reduces energy consumption and the overall cost per pound of output. Energy efficiency paired with heavy-duty design and ease of maintenance results in a granulation system with a low total cost of ownership. The T50 series granulators incorporate ergonomic maintenance features that complement the stability and endurance of the machine. The T50 series features a new rear hopper door with zero-speed locking mechanism and improved seal design. Locking the rotor is now as simple as a button push. A new linear actuated rear cutting chamber door offers easy access for bed knife maintenance, and access for cleaning is only possible when the rotor stops spinning. Because of these improvements, routine maintenance and tasks associated with material, color, and particle changes are swift, safe, and easy. User can access the machine only if the rotor is not spinning. Bearings. All hinge points redesigned with low-friction joints for easy operation. Controls. Provides important diagnostic, statistics, and maintenance, helping you run the machine more efficiently and ensuring longer life. The system is built for 1- and 2-way communication, and users can access important data on nearly any device through TCP, IP, and Ethernet integration. Efficiency, durability, and safety are the hallmarks of an effective granulation system. The T50 series tangential granulators are designed to exceed the expectations of industry users. There is not a better choice for maximum uptime, intuitive control, and safe operation and maintenance.